Hello friends, welcome to my art channel. My name's Alina and today we're gonna paint some beautiful pink blossoms. There are tea tree blossoms and we're gonna use acrylic for this painting. For this painting, we're gonna need the following colors: white, red, carmine, dark teal, blue, yellow, pink. If you don't have pink, you can mix your own pink with red and white, purple and black. To start off, I'm going to outline the first layers of the flowers using a mixture of pink, red, and white. For the center of the flowers, I'm going to mix teal and carmine, which gives a brown hue, and that's going to be the center of the flowers. I'm also going to use the same mixture for the center of the flower to give a first layer outline of the branches. For the first layer of the background, I'm going to dilute some purple and blue. Using a round brush, I'm going to fill in all the empty negative space on the background. Where there's illusions of leaves, I'm gonna give it a light wash of green. With the liner brush, I'm going to use some white and go over the branches on the top of the painting, give it illusion of light reflection. Now we are ready to move on to building the second layers to the petals of the flowers with a mixture of white and pink. So I'm going to focus mainly on one particular flower. That will be my focal point of the painting. I'm going to give it more highlight of white and give it more detail to the flowers. For the pollen and the stems, I'm going to use a liner brush and a red color to contrast with the pink and white petals. I will continue to add more layers to other blossoms on painting as well. wherever I want high contrast between the flowers and the background, I'm gonna give it a mixture of purple, carmine, and blue, and go over the spaces in between. With the liner brush and a mixture of green and white, I'm gonna go over some leaves in between the blossoms. In case you haven't seen it, I've also done a full tutorial painting on this tree blossom with the black and white version. I will add the link in the description box, so if you are interested, check that out. At this point, I have established all the elements of this painting and the compositions. Now it's a matter of adding more layers and more layers into the painting, particularly focusing on the blossoms themselves. For day 2, now that the painting has dried, we're gonna use the same color palette again, and day 2 is just focusing on adding more layers to get the petals to the colors that we want, and also adding more detail, and that will complete the painting. Here I'm adding little flowers facing northeast because I felt that there's something missing there, and also I don't want all the flower just forward facing. I wanted to have multi-directional to keep the painting and the composition more interesting. So here I am adding a little bit of flower on the left corner of the painting. When it comes to adding details to a painting, it's all up to you. You can add more detail to the point of very realistic, very surreal, or you can just leave it loose and with less detail. It's a matter of your choice. It's a matter of how you feel. It's a matter of what you're trying to convey in the painting. As my own personal preference, I usually do a lot of detail on the focal point of the painting. For example, in this case, it's just a couple of the flowers, and then the rest of the painting, I like to leave it still to the imagination, loose and a little bit fuzzy, to let the viewer imagine how it looked like in their own mind. So that's just me. Well, this concludes this tutorial. I hope you enjoy it. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoy the video and leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this painting. Also, my Etsy shop is open. I have posted several of my original 5x7 artworks there for sale. So check that out if you would like to own an original painting of mine. Thank you so much once again, and I will see you on my next painting video. Bye bye.